Hi, this is Adam from AdzProductions, and this is the unboxing of the Microsoft Wireless Comfort Desktop 5000 keyboard. Okay, let's get this thing unboxed. Trying to find a seal. That's one there. Hopefully this is one of those things that can okay, that side didn't want to work, so let's try this side. Come on, right there we go. One side. Here we go, this looks more like it. Okay, well, seems like the mouse just pops out like that. And then under this plastic we have the, there we go. This is like the receiver for the keyboard and mouse. Literally plug it into a USB port. We have the mouse itself. Pretty awesome mouse. This is in fact a laser mouse, just to let you know. Right, let's move on. Anything else in the box? Nope. Okay, so you can see we've got this like brown packaging. Let's see what happens next. Right, if I lift this up. Right, the first thing I've found is the instruction booklets and stuff, so it's just like them. You know what they look like. You've got CD, I think that's a driver. Intelli point 7.1. Some software that I'm not going to use. Moving on. Cool, they include 4 AA batteries that you need to power this device. And hopefully there it is. There's the keyboard itself. As you can see, it is ergonomically designed. I'm trying to work out. Yeah. On the back you put the batteries in there. It's just like a normal keyboard. So thanks for watching the unboxing of this keyboard from AdzProductions.